The pandemic, the CDC tonight with new evidence that booster shots do in fact provide a strong defense against Omicron. New data from the CDC showing 2 vaccine doses without the booster were 57% effective against hospitalizations, but that the booster shot, a third shot, brings protection back up to 90% against Omicron. And people 65 and older who were fully vaccinated and boosted were 90 times less likely to die than unvaccinated people in that age group. This all comes as Omicron is still raging across much of the country, and this eye-opening number tonight. 1/4 of all confirmed COVID cases since the beginning of this pandemic have been in just the last month. 18 million new cases of COVID in just 4 weeks' time. Still, 745,000 new cases a day as we see cases come down slightly in areas that were the first epicenters. That is encouraging. But the very real strain on hospitals continues. 160,000 patients nationwide, 21,000 new COVID patients admitted every day. And the battle over masks in schools. One mother in Virginia threatening to bring all of her guns, she said, loaded and ready to school if they made her kids wear masks. And tonight, the early news here on this new subvariant of Omicron, now under investigation in the UK. It has been seen here in the U.S. as well, and what we know so far. ABC's Marcus Moore leading us off from Oklahoma tonight.
Tonight, the first clear evidence from the CDC showing vaccine boosters are a critical weapon against Omicron. A new study found that 2 doses was 57% effective against hospitalizations 6 months later, but a third shot boosted protection back up to 90%.
Protection against infection and hospitalization with the Omicron variant is highest for those who are up to date with their vaccination, meaning those who are boosted when they are eligible.
But less than half of Americans who are eligible have gotten their booster. The CDC says older people benefit the most from that extra shot. Those 65 and older who were fully vaccinated and boosted were 90 times less likely to die than the unvaccinated in that age group. And tonight, British scientists are investigating a subvariant of Omicron called BA.2. It's been detected in 40 countries, including the U.S. They say there's no evidence it's more dangerous, and it has not been labeled a variant of concern. But earlier today, Dr. Anthony Fauci said we need to be on guard for new variants.
We have to be prepared for it. So we hope for the best and prepare for the worst.
For now, hospitals across the country are buckling under the crush of patients. At smaller hospitals in Oklahoma, teams are caring for their neighbors.
They're people you work with. They're people that go to your church. They're people you see in Walmart every day. But you have to take care of them. You have to do it anyway. So you do. And then the next day comes and you do it again.
And after nearly 1 million pediatric infections last week, there is renewed debate over protecting children. A proposal in California would let kids 12 and older get vaccinated without their parents' consent.
COVID is taking away their happiness and futures, and we can't ignore this crisis anymore.
But in Virginia, the new governor reversing school mask mandates starting Monday.
As we battle COVID, it's parents that should decide the health measures taken for their children.
But after some districts push back, one mother at this school board meeting threatening to bring guns to her children's school if it tried to enforce the mandate.
No mask mandates. My children will not come to school on Monday with a mask on. All right? That's not happening. And I will bring every single gun loaded and ready. I'll see y'all on Monday.
And late tonight, police charging Amelia King with making a threat on school property.
Marcus Moore with us tonight. And Marcus, the CDC also revealing what we've thought for some time here, that Omicron has brought more breakthrough infections than Delta did, but that the vaccines and boosters significantly have helped knock this down.
Yeah, David, researchers found that Omicron is more likely to cause breakthrough infections than Delta, even among people who were boosted, but that protection from more serious illness remained high. David.
And that's been a good thing. Marcus Moore tonight. Marcus, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.